Yo, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, I'm doing something different today. About to make up a concoction, a healthy concoction. We got some ginger, some turmeric, some lemons, and apple cider vinegar. It's the one with the mother in it. And some water, some cheesecloth, measuring cup. And this is the jar that I'm going to be putting it in. So first thing we want to do, we want to wash off this turmeric right here. So we're going to do that and get that going. Also going to wash off the ginger also. Also, you can get these at the, I guess the farmer's market thing. One for this. I have the cups of that. Let me see. Trying to decide, y'all. Alright. Just gonna wash them off this one, y'all. Little bath, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Put some of these over here for our first cut. And we're just gonna, I just be cutting them up. Down there about 2-3 days, probably. Let's see, because I'm only trying to do like probably 2 cups of this stuff all together. Just put them in now. Oh, I'm gonna cut that one also. With a cup of water. Yeah, that'll do it, guys. So you just whip it. Yeah, let me add some more water just to thin it out just a little bit. To your desire. Cut it up. I just slice it, you know. Yeah, this should be enough ginger here, or more than enough. I'll put that one in there. Okay. Now it's time I gotta strain this. Get some cheesecloth and you know. Probably. Yeah. So the plan is I have to strain this because it's bigger. Yeah, get it right on now. Hope I don't have it too thick, y'all. I should have just put some put me a rubber band around it. But let's just see how it works out. See if it's gonna catch it. All this stuff now. How you do it? But if y'all do get some on the counter, y'all can just use some bleach and get it up. It'll come right up. You spray some bleach on it. I should have had me a spoon so I can press down. I can see that's almost 2 full cups. That's how much I had to put in now. stress. So I'm just pouring this jar here. And then another one with some ginger. This ginger in here now. Yeah, I really just put how much I think, how potent I think I might want it. It's gonna be potent too. Let's get this poured in. A little bit more water. That might be so potent right there. Okay. Yeah. I want to get about the same amount. 2 cups. Okay. You pour it in there. Because my jar is almost filled. Alright, yeah. Oh yeah. See this? Huh? I use 2 lemons also, y'all. Y'all can kind of tweak this however y'all want to be honest with you. Don't go crazy with it like I am. Because I usually make a gallon of it, so I already have those measurements to a T. But this one I'm making a smaller one, so. You don't get nothing but a little juice out of it. All you gotta do is take it and squeeze it. And if you're wondering, yes, I did wash my hands. Let's see how much of this we can get in here. What's that? That's a 1/4 cup. Let's see. Okay, I'm ready to get out of it. Okay, apple cider vinegar. Your time going down. Yeah, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this in here, but to the rim. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one. Rinse that off. Yes, Now, y'all, you can mix this with milk, almond milk, or regular milk, or you can drink it just like it is, cold or warm. Most people say it works the best when it's warm. So, but I'm gonna go over the benefits with y'all right quick that I know of. And if you want to drink it just like it is, you might want to put some honey in there, because that's what I normally do, put some honey in it, because it's gonna be very strong. Anyway, for the turmeric root now, the benefits is for inflammatory, antioxidants, and improves symptoms of arthritis. And I am a witness to that, because my knee be swelling. I was drinking it like 2 to 3 times a day. Took the inflammation out, the swelling. I was able, because I couldn't feel my kneecap really, because it was swollen. So once I started drinking this mixture right here 2 to 3 times a day, I was able to feel my kneecap swelling was going down, back feeling brand new. And for the ginger root, it improves the immunity, upset stomach, nausea, helps with weight loss and digestion. Apple cider vinegar, weight loss, also detox and cleanse the body. It improves gut health and digestion, acid reflux, reduce inflammation, gout, and yeast infections. And the lemon prevent kidney stones, improve digestion health. Health. Also vitamin C, good for acne and eczema. And y'all can check these benefits out online, because there's a lot of other things that all these ingredients are good for. Everything natural. So y'all try making it and get your immunity and health up, and get ready for those, cold seasons that's coming up. And then don't forget, when y'all make this house, make sure y'all shake it up before you use it every time, because it'll settle at the bottom of here. You want to make sure you're getting it all in there. I wish I could show y'all now. Hold on. I think it might have settled something in there. Yeah. I don't know, but y'all, thank y'all for watching the channel. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I'll be doing a little bit of everything, as you can see. And make sure y'all also subscribe to our other channel. It's our family channel. We do family stuff on there. A little bit of everything. Y'all, cleaning up here now. Remember I said if y'all got some on your counter, y'all can see that yellow spot. Spray some of this on there. Or just regular bleach. You see how I turn it? Like turn it like reddish color and it comes right off. Y'all see that? Gone. Y'all see since it been sitting here, how it been settled, it's divided. So we're gonna put the top on it. Shake it up. Hope I can shake it up. But this top acting up. Shake over here. So why? Because I don't want it to. See, I know it's gonna be leaking out if I try to turn it sideways. But y'all can see. Get my little cup. And it's a cheers to 30 years. Long time ago. Put a little honey in there, y'all. That's what I do. Put me a little honey in there. And then I warm it up a little bit in the microwave, y'all. Oh, yeah, that one is hot right now. So I'm going to pour it over here. Yes. And I'm sure.
Nobody can even see you drink it.
There's no that I drunk it. Oh, that was a kicker. It was actually kind of good, though. Because I had that. I think that was good. But y'all can put hot. All right, y'all. Listen. And I'm out.